pégate un poquito, güey. Man. So this is how it's built on the inside box. So it's right there. Let's see over here. Okay. I'll leave it on. Man, that was heavy. That was heavy. Alright, so, oh my gosh, let's see. Alright, apparently, so it's covered with plastic, even under it. Yeah. Let me, I'll keep sending videos. Let me unwrap this. Okay, so I need some time to get to a little bit of air. Shoot. No me having. So, solamente mi mano y el equipo. Okay. Voy a salir de su esposa. I guess Christmas came early. Right, guys? I guess Christmas came early. You know, So right there, man, look at that detail. Beautiful. Well, I'm so sorry to say that's the piss urine sticker. But it was a good call, put it in the back. So it looks very nice and clean in the front. But look at that, bro. Look how it shines. Look at that. So beautiful. Man, this dude, this tiger, he did his job quiet, but man, look how beautiful it looks. Look at that. Look how sparkling that looks. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Bro, I checked the speaker under, all around with my wife, and everything looks nice and tight. Man, the Tiger packaged it well. Yeah. Love it, love it. Looks nice. Yeah.